and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a special guest, my daughter Catherine, who's going to show us how to make bruschetta. First, measure 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Mince 1 clove of garlic. Stir the garlic into the oil. Slice the bread in half and cut into 1-inch thick pieces. Put the sliced bread on a cooking sheet. Coat the bread with the oil and garlic mixture. Bake the bread at 350 degrees until golden brown. Chop the tomato. Mince the cilantro. Wow, Catherine, this looks amazing. Let's try it. It is delicious. I love it, Catherine. This is awesome. Thank you so much for coming today and showing everybody how to make bruschetta. Have fun. I hope yours is as good as Catherine.